Your Honor, Your Honor, Your Honor, please don't do this. I have proof. Please don't do this. Give me time. I work third shift. Please give me time to get this lease out.
All right, so we've got everybody here. Let me make my notes.
Let them know today was my son's birthday. Wish they wouldn't.
All right, this is file number 252647LT. It's entitled Vicky and Randy DeMeyer versus, is it Randy?
Yes.
DeMeyer versus Randy Winters and Patricia Winters. This is a termination of tenancy case. We are here on January the 9th. The DeMeyers contend their house has been trashed and they wish the Winters to move. The Winters said that they had retained the services of legal aid, Adam Freeman. We've not received any appearance or any information from Adam Freeman. Rent was last paid in October of 2026 and none paid since. The lease ended December 4th and the plaintiff simply wishes to terminate the tenancy. It isn't even just cause, it's just expiration of the lease. The Winters also contended they had contacted Fair Housing and I haven't heard from them either. So Mr. Dutka, what's the circumstance here?
Well, I think Your Honor put it in perspective. I think that's what we're basically moving forward with. This is the end of the lease, and it was decided before the end of the lease with the 30-day notice. It just wasn't going to be renewed by the DeMeyers. And I think they had an absolute right to do that. The lease ended. Defendants are still in possession, and I think plaintiffs are entitled to an absolute right to possession.
Mr. and Mrs. Winters, what's your position?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, man.
Sir, we have two leases. I moved in December the 4th. I am aware of that. I got 2 weeks before court a notice to quit, and I felt that that wasn't enough time. And due to the circumstances, I have a lot of things going on. Today, I'm shaking because I lost my son. This was the day that I buried my son. He's a United States veteran. And I wouldn't have think that they would have, they knew too, because he came to this house and he seen my son on my wall. My son been gone here. Oh my God.
All right, I can still hear you.
Oh my God. Could you just ignore that phone call? Cause it's trying to reach. No, leave it alone.
All right. Well, they had asked you to move by December 4th and you didn't.
Yes.
And you're still there and they still want you to move. What's your position?
I came in here and I'm not a trashy woman. And it hurts me so bad for them to think of that, Your Honor. And the things that were said to me that is very, very hurtful. I have messages through my phone. I've reached out to Vicky. I've reached out to Mr. DeMeyer with Vicky's number. I have messages. No one contacted me. I've been without a dryer here. I bought a dryer because it went out. I work every day. I've been have to go to the laundromat or hang my clothes up because they don't want to come down here and do the stuff that they need to do. I don't ask them for nothing. I fixed this place up. Me and my military grandson that is a lieutenant now, me and him fixed this place up. They couldn't even get in here for 12 years. And then now they got in here. They see what I have done. They can make money on it. It was told that last year, in June or July, that they were selling this place. Right after I got done with court with you, Vicky started bothering me and harassing me again. I had my family, which is another military person from from New York, came down here. I got my church family here. They had the officers come here. I feel like that is very disrespectful, and I don't I just want apology. I'm asking for time to get out of here. We have 2 leases. That's why fair housing is involved. The police officers are aware. I showed them my proof, and we could go further with this if y'all want to, because I got all the proof, and I am not a nasty woman. I'm a clean woman. I got a cleaning job, honey.
Well, they aren't contending that you are. She said that. I
Very
think she blurted
clean.
it out. All right, stop. They're simply saying, and one of the reasons is we want to sell the house. This happens a lot. The landlord has the house. They want to get out of the landlord tenant business. Their health is failing. Other things are going on. They want to sell it. In order to sell it, they have to get the tenant out. They
Yes.
give you a notice to quit saying you got 30 days to move. You didn't move. So they asked you to move by December 4th. That didn't happen. So they filed this action. We have a hearing January 9th. I adjourn it 2 weeks from January 9th to January 23rd. You still haven't moved. And the law now says you have 10 days to move or you're subject to being evicted. So you get 10 days from today.
Your Honor, can I speak?
Yes. Mhm.
Your Honor, we have 2 leases.
That's
They
why
did-
fair housing is involved. Go ahead.
We have 2 leases. You know what I'm saying? My lease and her lease, because she moved in first. So she have her own lease, then I moved in. So I have a lease myself. I wouldn't like to go off my lease. They just can't forge and say, this is my lease. I have my own lease.
All right, well, let's take a look. Randy Winter's lease agreement is signed December 4th of 2024 for a 1-year lease. It's got your
No.
signature only on it.
No, my lease was for March the 31st.
It's 2-4.
That's what my lease is supposed to. Do you have a paper bag?
2-4.
The lease I have in front of me is one for you, which expires December 4th of 2024.
I got it.
And I have a lease for Patricia, which expires December 4th of 2024. There is 2 leases, but they both have the December 4th date.
No, I'm gonna go further, sir.
I have a lease.
I'm gonna show you the lease. I have proof. This man signed the lease before me. After me.
I signed a lease after her.
Where's my coat?
Right there, your pocket, your keys on there.
Where?
In the room on the table.
Okay. I got the lease. I got proof.
We had a lease right here, sir. We don't have no other lease.
It's a lot.
She have her own lease. I have my own lease.
All right, I agree with that. I've got 2 leases, but they do both say December 4th.
I know, because she moved in before I did. Then I came in March and moved in.
Well, your lease was signed on.
This is why I'm going further with it.
I have a document that I had the same one. I had the same.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to get it out. I have it right here. She switched it. That's why fair housing is.
I can't tell what day it was signed, but it ends on December 4th.
No, it's supposed to end in March.
You have this.
Well, it isn't. It isn't. It says December 4th.
Well, I got Randy's. I got Randy's lease right here. Vicky forged that. And I will show you. I got Randy's handwriting and everything. I got 2 leases, 4 leases, 5 leases. She sent out different ones. I got the burden of proof in front of me. Please give me some time.
Say that again.
Please give me a little time to get it up.
She getting the lease up.
Please.
The right lease.
The lease that
All right.
Randy, when he moved in here, y'all cannot do that.
The lease that I signed. Not the lease that she gave me. You know what I'm saying? That she made up. The lease that I signed.
We went to court, and Judge Middleton should have the first lease that we had on the last one. But I'm looking through here. Hold up, I got it. I got it. I got it, baby. I got it. I really do. This is what the pastor said for us to keep, and I did. Right here. Hold up. December 4th. Oh my God, it just give me a minute. I'm quickly. I gotta get there. Hold up, I got it. I got it. I need my glasses. Yeah. Here it is, Daddy. I got it. I got it. Here you go, Judge. Where you at? Judge,
I
you
didn't
see?
go anywhere. You're like a cat on a griddle back there,
Oh,
kitten
I
on a
move
griddle.
like that, sir. I move like that, sir. I got 19 grandchildren. I got to move like that.
All right, I
And
didn't.
four of them is military. Four of them is military, so I have to.
All
I
right,
have
well,
to do like
so
that.
what are you showing me?
I'm showing you Randy Winter's lease. Burden of
All
proof.
right,
No,
well,
This is Randy Winter's lease. This is what we got when Randy moved in
all
here.
right,
We
well,
got
what
10
is
leases in
it?
here.
When was it signed?
It was signed on. Hold up. We're at 1204. See, it's still coming up. There's that. That's not the one, baby. That's not the one. Get your lease out. You got to
Yeah,
help me.
that's December 4th.
This is December 4th. This is where she tricked. This is where she want to catch us up at. Please, Lord, help me. Here, hold up. Lord, help me. Here, come on. God knows. God don't bless no mess.
No,
Vicky changed
both of
this.
your leases say December 4th.
No, they don't. No, they don't, sir. I will fight this. I will take this all the way. I will
All right,
go
well,
to.
you do
I
have
will
a
go to
right to
trial.
appeal it,
Yes, no,
but you have
I'm
10
going to
days to move
trial.
out or you're subject to being evicted.
No, give me
Your
your lease,
lease
Randy. They cannot do this. Or I'm gonna call the court. I'm gonna call the what's the name? They cannot do this. You got a lease that say 2-4. Vicky changed that. Vicky tampered with that. And the pastor got a copy of it too. That's the thing about it. That's the thing,
Well,
because
I
they
don't
had to
see
have
it.
it
All
for.
I see is what they filed. You can apply
Sir,
for an order of
please,
eviction
no,
after
sir.
February the 9th.
Sir, this
This
is
has
not
been going on
true.
for
This is
several months, several weeks.
no.
Your lease is
They're trying to say
expired.
that
I don't have an escrow order. And
you
both
got to help
leases
me
were
find
signed
it.
with an expiration date of December
Your
4th.
Honor, Your Honor, Your Honor, please don't do this. I have proof. Please don't do this. Give me time. I worked third shift. Please give me time to get this lease out. She changed this. She forged this, and I could get her on this. I have burden of proof. She's done so many leases here to mess us up and to flip us. And we got the first lease that when we first went to court, you got it. It's in your what's the name?
All right, well, hold it.
I'll email you.
All right, please sit down so we can discuss this. You're very agitated.
I'm very
And
because it's
you're
not right.
stop.
They're lying.
Stop.
The blood of
Stop.
Jesus. The blood of Jesus.
All right. There's two leases signed by each of you. Both are signed December 4th. So if you contend that his was signed on a different date,
yes.
then I guess I'll kick you out effective 10 days and we can fight about him. But his lease also says December 4th.
But
And the lease that you found also says December 4th. So you have 10 days to move or you're subject to being evicted. No money judgment is entered here. You can appeal this. I suspect you're not going to find a lease with a different date.
Yes, I am.
I think this is the lease.
God don't bless no mess.
And
I
they've been
believe in
trying
God.
to get you to move since early November. You're both working third shift. You need to move. You need to move or you're subject to being evicted.
Okay,
I will
I'll tell
send
you
you a
what.
copy of this order.
Your Honor, when I find this lease and I show you, all I want is an apology and that's it. And I want the Myers to know that I made their place the way it is because it was trash when I first came in here. If y'all give me, I will make sure that the carpets and everything and it's ready to go. If you're going to sell it, you sell it. If it's not, God knows. But y'all know y'all not right. If y'all could give me until February.
They don't have to ask for the writ on the 10th day. They can give you up to 56 days to move, but no rent has been paid since October.
It's a,
So
I
you're
got,
living there for free right
no,
now.
I'm not, Your Honor. I have proof.
Of what?
I have proof the last time I paid Vicky was November the 7th. And I went to the
All right,
bank.
well, this was filed on. All right, so you haven't paid any rent since November. So we're now
Because
January,
she said that she wants me out and she
December,
don't want any
January,
money.
and about to be February. The matter was filed with the court on December 9th. So some rent was paid. I don't know if that went to October. I think they said the last month that was paid was October. So, all right,
Your Honor,
yes.
this is right. This is it. It says 2/1/25. Baby, I can see. Here's the lease, sir. You can put me out. You sure can. But God ain't gonna put me out.
I'm not sure what you're showing me.
This is the right lease. This is the lease for Randy Winters. He was 53 years old when he signed this lease.
All right, well, Randy has an appeal. You don't. Your lease expired December 4th.
I'll leave. I can leave. But you know what? I tell you what, ask the DeMeyers if I
Randy
do this.
moved in on 2/2/24.
Yes.
Randy paid a deposit of $480, gave Randy a different lease but the move out date was the same. He did move in on 2/2/24, but the lease he signed expires December 4th of 24.
He didn't sign that lease.
And
All
Your
right,
Honor, if I might
all
add,
right.
Your Honor, the paragraph she's showing the court gave Randy Winters until February 1st of 2025 to pay the security deposit. That's
And
what
we paid it.
showing. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, so it wasn't the expiration date of the lease, it was the due date for the security deposit.
We paid it.
All right, Miss Winters, I wish you luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
all right.